walking sa Tagamay, guys. It is almost 9 in the morning. I just dropped off the kids sa school nila. So although the sun is really bright, minus 5, minus 6 pa din. So yes, it is still cold again here. So dito lang ako because we had our garage open, so I can't go far. So my hand is freezing though, kahit na medyo hindi na siya dapat malamig. So dito lang ako mag-walking kasi I'm actually hungry pa. So wala naman akong dalang tubig. Dapat hindi na lang ako lalayo kasi our garage is open. So ano lang ako, maka-stretch lang ng konti for the health. Yan lang. Walking lang ta kariyo kay para maka-fresh air man lang ta ba. Unya kuan. Sunlight, good sunlight, good for the health. Kay it's still morning, so almost na summer dire. So it's April 19, and then a month from now, exactly a month from now, we're gonna drive to Vancouver to meet our, we dili may mag-fly, so we're just gonna drive to meet our cruise, because we're going for a cruise. We're going for a cruise May 21 to 28. So we're gonna drive May 19, and then sleep for 2 nights sa classmate na ako, and then join the ship in Vancouver port May 21. Excited na mi, guys. Among kids pud excited na, the whole family is excited. So sana worth ang among paglakaw. Cost us actually like $2,800 Canadian. So yeah, and ay nag-walking po, balik na po karipitas. Aray akong kamot, sakit, cold. Hi. So, pag naray mga kapitbahay diri, guys, mayong kaghay, sige kakaila. So, silingan na mo to, nag-walking sa iyang dog, down, 5 houses down. So, ayun, yun lang, babalik na din ako, because I'm hungry na, and then, ang akong kamot is freezing. Although it's only -5, parang fridge nga naman. Okay, see you, talk to you guys again later. Ayun.